Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got something a little bit different. I've got a men's grooming bag to show you, and it's by Mankind. This is what it looks like. So Mankind, if you don't know anything about them, they're run by the Hut Group, as are Glossybox, Beauty Expert, and look fantastic. They've got a whole website dedicated to men's grooming products. This is a special edition bag. Inside contains 6 full-size luxury products. It costs £55 and that includes free shipping within the UK, and the value is over £239. This is their Apothecary collection, and it's centered around exciting, innovative formulations at the cutting edge of male grooming for you to try at home yourselves. Mankind have kindly gifted this to me in exchange for showing you and telling you all on my channel. All links related to this bag and the Mankind website I'll pop down in the description below. So underneath this video, see show more, click that. That'll bring up the description and all details and everything will be down there. So yeah, so let's get on to opening this up then and showing you what you get inside. Inside every bag you get a little booklet like this, and this is the Grooming Manual for the Modern Man, and this is issue 3, September 2019. In here it has interviews, and it also has details surrounding all the products that are inside the bag, so it'll just give you much more background information about each product. So if there's anything I don't understand about them, I'll be referring to this as we go along. So the first item is by Babor. This is the Sensational Eyes Cooling Eye Gel, and we've got 20 mils here. That's the outer packaging, and that's what it looks like there. This eye gel is worth £32.68, and reading on the side here it says a cooling oil-free gel to refresh the skin and reduce the appearance of bags and puffiness under the eyes. Alpine stem cells protect against visual signs of premature aging, and Osmotec helps optimise the skin's ability to absorb active cosmetic ingredients. Leaves the eye area looking vitalised, smoother and refreshed. So that's the first item there. Next we got a gorgeous bottle. It's by Argentum, and this is the Lotion Infinie, and it's their body moisturiser. I'll just take this off. It's no writing, no labels, just a really smart black plain bottle. It's gorgeous. And what have we got here? What size is it? 200 mils there. There's lots of information in here, little booklet. You've got little cards there telling you all about the social media, and it tells you all about the science, the applications, the ingredients. There's a lot of information in there, but I'm going to refer to the booklet to see if I can find a condensed version to share with you. This body cream is worth £84, and it says here Lotion Infinie is a rich, rapidly absorbing body moisturiser powered by the brand's signature silver hydrosol formulation, a unique solution of high purity silver suspended in water. Besides silver hydrosol, the lotion is rich with anti-aging and nourishing ingredients. Glycerin, argan oil and almond oil are combined with stimulating caffeine to produce powerful effects. And it says for best results, use a body lotion up to twice per day or as required. So that's the second item in the bag. Next we've got a peeling mask by Cooking. And this is 50 mils, and we also get a little card as well in the bag, and it tells you useful information about this, and it says it can be used up to 3 times a week. Start using 4 to 6 minutes and increase gradually to 10 to 12 minutes. Cleanse the skin before use. Apply the mask in an even layer and let the product act. It does say that it might pinch the skin and leave the skin a little bit red. It's because it contains acids. It contains AHA and lactic acid. If you've never used them on your skin before, your skin might be a little sensitive. Any skins can use it, but you might find that first time application and a couple after, maybe you might be left with a little bit of redness, but that's quite normal. They recommend as well doing it in the evening if that is the case, so that you're able to like calm down. So the redness is able to calm down a little by the morning. But acids are wonderful for brightening the complexion, really cleaning the complexion and even out skin tone, and also tackles, you know, fine lines and wrinkles as well. If you do have a bit of redness, it is normal. It is normal. So this peeler mask is worth £37. So there's that. Now I'm not sure if I mentioned at the start of this video, but I'm keeping all these products for my husband. He's just started getting into skincare and body care. Up until a couple of months ago, he wasn't that interested. You know, basic aftershave, a bit of deodorant, but nothing else really. So I'm going to be giving this bag to him as a surprise. But this item I fancy for myself. It's Nanogen, and it's a 5-in-1 shampoo and conditioner for men, and it's thickening hair treatment suitable for minoxidil users, thickening shampoo and conditioner, cleansing, exfoliating, conditioning, thickening and strengthening. Got 240 mils here. Now, I've got quite fine hair. I've got a halo hair piece on at the bottom to thicken it up. Everything else is real, but the bottom here, it just is mixed in with my natural hair to thicken it up. It's very, very fine. Hormone related, long story. If you're a subscriber to my channel, you'll know all this already. But yeah, so I'm always on the lookout for things to help my hair grow and to thicken. So it says a multi-targeted hair thickening shampoo and conditioner for men, dermatologically tested, contains unique hair growth factors, redensifying amino acids and exfoliators, a deep cleanse you can feel. And this is worth £9.95. So is that. Next we got a skin serum, and this is by ARK, and this is Skin Perfector, formulated for all ages, and we got 30 mils. That's the outer packaging, and that's what it looks like there. And this is worth £45, and it says here, revolutionary anti-gravity serum which tightens, lifts and tones the skin. This ultra firming serum is ideal for skin showing signs of aging such as loss of elasticity or fine lines and wrinkles. It targets skin sagging and improves resistance to gravity by promoting a skin elastic fibre architecture. Skin appears younger, firmer, more flexible, while fine lines are plumped and smoothed. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Refinery, and this is a beard and shave oil, and this is 30 mils. See, outer packaging, smart bottle. This is worth £31. And it says on the back, packed full of vitamins and antioxidants, this multi-purpose oil is the perfect solution for everyday beard and skin well-being. And it says, for the ultimate close shave, massage 4 to 5 drops onto damp skin, shave, then rinse off excess. For everyday beard care, apply 2 to 5 drops of oil, depending on the length of the beard, and then smooth through the beard. And then for an intense post-shave treatment to condition skin, massage a few drops over the face. So there's that. So to recap, I'll just go through the items one by one, showing you what you receive in this bag, if this bag takes your fancy. Nanogen hair thickening treatment. We've got a Babor Cooling Eye Gel. Got an Argentum Lotion Infinie. It's a body cream. Got a peeling mask by Cooking. Got a firming skin serum by ARK. And then finally a Refinery beard and shave oil. So those are all the products inside the bag. As I said at the start, I'll pop all links and everything down in the description, so if you want to learn a little bit more about it, you're welcome to take a look. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this bag? Do you think it would make an excellent gift for yourself, an excellent gift for a friend or a partner, etc.? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.